Good evening, all. This is Chola Crypto. So, today is again a very disappointing day. The reason being Bitcoin is still dead and it's dead at 16,600. I'm just expecting that to go up, but today we will review this project called the Graph and why I think Graph is a good pick and it's looking like a gem at this point of time when the market is down 80%. So now let's see what Graph is. Graph is trading at 0.060 cents. And let me quickly pick up Graph. All right. Let's wait for this to come up. So Graph is at 0.060. First, we will see it did a top of say about $1 in the previous bull run, which is good. And it's got an overall supply of 10 billion, and the current circulating supply is 6.9 billion. That's a huge supply. But overall, why I think Graph is an interesting project. First things first, it's an indexing protocol, and it is used for querying data for networks like Ethereum, and it is powering many applications in both DeFi and Web3 ecosystem. Is what I understand. You might ask what this um, graph is actually doing. There is something called subgraphs which can be developed by anybody who can get into graph, and these subgraphs are used by for example, there are decentralized um, protocols like Uniswap and etc. So these to access as a developer, you need some kind of for example, if I'm developing a wallet and that wallet has to speak to Uniswap, I use as a developer I use the subgraph to connect to the Uniswap and index data or receive information, etc. So that's the kind of functionality that it 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 does. And it till date there are around 3000 subgraphs has been deployed with thousands of developers. That's what it says. For dApps like Uniswap and Synthetix, Away, it almost got deployed for all the top decentralized dexes. So Balancer, Aave, it's also used for Decentraland as well. So from the the usability or utility perspective, I think they're pretty much in a very good state at this point of time. It's been growing 50% month on month, and it over 7 billion queries is fantastic as far as I am concerned. And it has got around 200 indexer nodes in the testnet and more than 2000 curators in the curator program as of 2020. I'm not sure what the current number is. Let's see who the founders are. Founders of Graph Team, Professional Ethereum Foundation, blah blah blah. Yaniv Tal, project lead, and Brandon Ramirez. I don't know who these guys are, but I've been seeing Graph for quite some time. It's a steady project. It hit $1 last time, so it's doing a lot of things in the public infrastructure or mainstream market. um, that's something that you have to really explore a little bit. But overall, I think as a project, it has delivered a lot from whatever it has done so far. Let's quickly see their website. What's special that they have in their website? Yeah, let's see their ecosystem. Governance, beer, governance, grants, learn about the graph. All right, advocate roles. All these also too technical for all of us. It's better to skip this and grants learn about the graph. So if you want to just check what graph is doing, just go over it and have a look at it. But I gave you a very simple explanation about what they're doing. Web3 and how subgraphs are used in development stack. So from the developer standpoint, it's very very useful project. And so let's see what they have from the security perspective and the product perspective. Also, they have Graph Explorer, Graph Subgraph Studio. That's all fine. So overall, I don't see a complete ecosystem of what they are helping out, but I did see that they are being no, they have been used by all these big names here: Uniswap, Synthetics, Aragon, all these people. It's growing, growing, growing. So given that it's a good project in the market, they're very well funded, and I believe they can do well in the next bull run. The previous price, top price, hey, they did up to $2.34. That's pretty good in 2021 bull 13 to 2021 they did 2.24 dollars. Oh, it's damn cheap. And why did I just say, oh, okay, it's not showing the complete picture here. It's just showing the 1 year data. So yes, it's a $2 token. The previous run, it did again in the second bull top $2. Right. Okay, we are over here. Perfect. It's a $2 token. So opportunity is there. It's completely bottomed right now. Let's see where they are from the previous top. Yes, they did $2.86. This is the bottom, completely flat. As a trader, I see this as an opportunity. And if this goes up from here, if the market moves, if the market moves, so everybody has a question mark, right? So if the market moves, the first would be 49 cents is what it shows. But I think, let me be very clear here. If the market moves, my first target would be 10 cents, and after that, my second target would be around 15 cents. So, if the market moves with the given supply the graph has, I clearly see, I clearly see first 10 cents and after that 15 cents, which is something 1.5x from wherever we are. So 6 cents to 15 cents. So if the market moves, the first stop is 10 cents and the next stop would be 15 cents. If the market goes down, I don't see this going below this, but if it goes down, I might expect that to go around 0.05 or 0. I'm sorry. No, no. It might not go down that much. It might not go down zero. I believe this might go down to at least 0.02 to 0.03 cents. But I think the worst is over. It's gonna move up. I've seen the worst ever in my 5 6 years of my crypto career. But I think the market is going to react. It's gonna move up. I don't know when it is, but when it moves, it's not going to be so aggressive. It's going to be step by step. And my first stop, if graph moves, it's going to be 10 cents. And if it's going to go down, that would be somewhere 50% from wherever it is right now. It's around 3 to 4 cents is what I'm expecting. I'm bullish. Hopefully, this things will move up the way that we all expect, and the lot of stable coins sitting currently outside the market right now, and I believe all these gonna come back into the market sooner. So the whale ratio is also okay. I did check that couple of minutes back, but I was expecting to see the stable coin ratio. See this? It's all going up, stable coin ratio in the blue. So people are sitting in stable coin. A lot of money is sitting in stables right now. And if you could just see how much is sitting right now in the stable area is say about Tether 65 billion, BNB 43 billion, 44 billion, so almost 150 billion we saw right now. Oh, sorry, this is not stable. I apologize. 60, 40, 110 here, and there's another big one here, 123. This is only in coin market cap that I'm seeing. What else is stable here? So another five die or something of that sort. But yeah, minimum of 150 billion sitting out. It might come in any moment. So hopefully when this BTC goes up to 20 21,000, we will see a new bull run. Let's hope for the best, guys. So GRT, my target, I gave 10 cents when the market moves, 15 cents when the market moves beyond that. 10 cents is first, 15 cents comes second when the market turns bullish. If it goes down, it's going to go to 3 to 4 cents. Thank you so much, guys. You have a nice day. Hope this is helpful. This is not a financial advice. I always say, always do your own research, invest wisely. Crypto is high risk. Thank you so much. Bye.